Okay, so dito naman ay makikita natin ng Future Museum. Ayan, malapit na siya. Ayan, makikita po natin ng malapitan mamaya. Ayan. So, hintayin nyo lang guys at palapit tayo ng palapit. Yan po yung ano ng train station. Yan. Pag sasakay ka. Ayan.
Picture.
Right, here we go. Future Museum is here. Okay. And as you can see. Oh my god, oh, bro. Yeah, this is it. Oh my god. What is this? Spaceship? Okay. Kita nyo? Future Museum ng Dubai. Okay, so big, man. Just like a basket. But it's not. Okay. Ayan po, Future Museum. Napakaganda. Okay, hanggang dyan na lang. At salamat sa inyong panonood.